OSCO Safety is the exclusive home of the ReadySeries lineup of modular solutions, so you can get a safety, maintenance, or access structure in the exact configuration you need. Along with stocking ReadySeries materials for quick shipping, our unique configurator tool helps ensure you get the perfect structure with all needed components, as well as a detailed quote for your project. To show you the process, let's walk through a quick demo of how we use the configurator tool for ReadySeries platforms and crossovers. Our configurator tool offers two ways to quickly configure your platform or crossover design. The first way is used when your project requires a simple rectangular design. In this scenario, we'll work with you to enter inputs for the length, width, and height of your platform. Then the configurator renders a configuration option with the critical dimensions to meet your needs. Of course, most platforms and crossover projects don't form a perfect rectangle, so the second and most common use of the configurator is a custom arrangement. Let's go over how that works. We begin with the project's footprint and height. Platform layout options are 3x3, 3x6, and 3x9. The available heights range from 1 foot 6 inches up to 6 feet in 9-inch increments. In this example, we'll start with a 3x9 platform. By dragging it onto the screen, we can see the specs. We can then go in and set the height. The configurator tool offers plenty of flexibility so that you can get the exact structure you want. What we see here is a 3x9 horizontal platform. But what if you want it to be vertical? We simply click on the rotate button. We can also adjust the height or change the height for one platform but not the other if you choose. You can see the nodules here that indicate the connections of the platforms in this example, which show you where connections can be made. Once the dimensions are set, there are 3 choices to optimize your layout based on your preference. We can leave the configuration as is. We can optimize the layout for the most economical shipping option, which will create the smallest shipping kit. Or we can optimize it for the easiest assembly, which means it will ship with the fewest parts to assemble on site. For our example, we'll leave it as is. Now we can move on to the access method, which will be either stairs or a ladder. Note how once a method is selected, such as dragging in stairs in this example, nodules appear to show the connection and the stairs adjust to the height needed. Since we chose stairs, you'll also have the ability to add stair guardrails or handrails. We'll add the full system, and you can see that it goes directly into the layout. We use the same operation to add a ladder, and it will adjust to the size needed. A great feature of the configurator tool is the ability to quickly see a 3D rendering of what has been configured up to any moment. Here's what our structure looks like so far. With the footprint, height, and access methods in place, we can now look for areas that require guardrail. We can work on each section individually, or we can have the configurator automatically add guardrail to all open sections. That's what we'll do here. And by viewing the layout, you can see how the configurator fills all the gaps to ensure safety and code needs are met. Once you're comfortable with the configuration, we can save it to generate a quote and representative drawings. Your quote document contains all pertinent information, including the kits that will be used, the quantity, the weight, the prices, and any standard or project-specific notes. At the same time, the configurator will produce a high-quality rendering of your configuration, which will be included with your quote document. For our example, there's one layout. But if you have multiple structures for the same project site, then more representative drawings will be included. We can send you a PDF summary of your quote and layout illustration so that you can review the information as needed or easily pass it along to others in the decision-making process. Simple and quick, just like ReadySeries solutions. From the configurator tool to advice from our experienced team, we're here to help. Whether you want to talk through some ideas in the early stages or are ready for a quote, contact OSCO Safety. We'll help you get the safety, maintenance, and access structure you need quickly and efficiently.